Observed from 800 kilometers away in space, the nights in Ukraine have darkened over the past 12 months. Life events and industrial activities in Ukraine, which brighten the surface of the earth, have vanished. Under the background of NATO's continuous expansion eastward, the crisis in Ukraine has escalated rapidly. The spillover effects have been seen globally. In Sri Lanka, about 6,000 kilometers away from Ukraine, due to fuel shortage, cars line up outside gas stations. The lack of energy, food, medicines, and other necessities triggered violent unrest in the country. Truckers protested the doubling of diesel prices and caused traffic jams in Hamburg. In the United Kingdom, Royal Mail employees struck over high inflation, which has left the postal vehicle stranded and postal service paralyzed. Throughout the whole year of 2022, fuel problems triggered more than 4,400 protests and riots in 103 countries and territories, nearly twice as many as in 2021. While food problems led to 1,391 protests and riots in 90 countries and territories, about 50% up from 2021.
Fertilizer prices have risen by more than half in the past year, and energy prices by more than 2/3. All harvests will be hit, including rice and corn, affecting billions of people across Asia, Africa, and the Americas.
Pored toga, vidimo danas, pored onih opštih posljedica dešavanja u Ukrajini i dešavanja u sklopu te strategije ekspanzije NATO na istok, koje trpi ceo svet, kao što su kidanja linija snabdevanja, trgovinskih lanaca, usporavanje svetske globalne ekonomije, izazivanje pored zdravstvene još nove energetske krize, ugrožavanje sveta opasnošću od gladi blizu 2 milijarde ljudi na svetu.
The escalation of the Ukraine crisis and Western sanctions against Russia seriously destroyed the global supply chains. Freighters loaded with food, fuel, and industrial goods wandered outside major ports all over the world and were unable to unload the cargo.
The only way to find a solution would be through negotiations. I don't see a military option on the ground.
国际社会应集中精力劝和促谈，鼓励俄乌双方重回谈判，为尽早停火止战积累条件。
People want peace, but not leaders of some countries.
Svi danas sa zapada govore samo o tome da Kijev treba da nastavi rat, da nastavi sukobe i da ne prihvata nikakav dogovor sa Rusijom, da Zapad isporučuje uvek sve veće i sve modernije naoružanje i da u stvari tako doliva ulje na vatru.
The U.S. provided military aid for Ukraine under the Land-Lease Act.
We have done so much intense training of the Ukrainians on specialized weapon systems.
Just as the US is ready to fight to the last drop of Ukrainian blood, so in the end it's prepared to fight to the last drop of European blood.